A street in Philadelphia. Red brick houses, maple trees, children outside playing hula hoop, hopscotch, stickball. Oh, there's Mrs. Duffy, stepping outside in her bright orange and yellow bathrobe to get the milk out of her metal icebox. At the corner house, a small group has gathered on the sidewalk. Women pushing strollers, beehive hairdos, men in hats and horn-rimmed glasses. They've all stopped to listen to some woman singing in her shower. You can even hear the water running. Her bathroom's at the front of the house and the window's open. So when she's in the mood, as she is on this fine morning, ba-doo-ba-doo-bop, 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 a tisket, a tasket, a brown and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it, I dropped it, I dropped it. Woo! That's my mother. She loves to sing. Her big brag was one night in Atlantic City, she got to go up on stage with Louis Armstrong. Well, hello, darling. Hello, darling. It's so nice to have you back where you belong, darling.